Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're vlogging, creating cinematic b-roll, or just want to step up your DJI Osmo Pocket 3 footage, today's video is for you. I'm reviewing the K&F Concept Effect Lens and ND Filter Kit, a powerful little combo that includes an anamorphic lens, a wide-angle lens, a macro, and a full ND filter. Let's break down what works, what doesn't, and is this actually worth your money? So first up, let's talk about what you actually get when you purchase this kit. Now the kit includes a 1.2 times anamorphic lens, a wide angle lens, a 10x macro lens, an ND8, ND32, and ND128 neutral density filters. Now the carrying case is nice and small, but yet tough, which is perfect for when you're creating content on the go. Now the installation couldn't be easier. All you gotta do is snap the lens on magnetically to the front element of the Osmo Pocket 3 and it stays on nice and strong and aligned the entire time. Alright, let's look at each lens in action. This is where the magic happens. The anamorphic stretch gives your footage that cinematic horizontal flare. It's not super dramatic like a 1.33 times or a 1.8 times lenses, but it's perfect for subtle storytelling. Great for travel vlogs or docu-style content. So now I'm going to put on the anamorphic lens. This opens up your frame really nicely. Handy for tight spaces, but it's really great for handheld selfie style vlogging. It adds just enough width without distorting the edges of your framing. Now we're putting on the wide angle lens. This surprised me the most. You do have to get really close to your subject, but when you do, the details are wild. Great for product shots or when you want to get extreme close-up and accentuate the texture. Managing an exposure in harsh light is where these neutral density filters shine. The ND8, 32, and 128 will cover most of your shooting scenarios that you may come across. Paired with the right shutter speed, you can maintain buttery cinematic motion blur even in harsh midday sun. Now here's a quick tip. Use the ND8 or 32 for during the golden hour time and the ND128 for harsher midday sunlight like the afternoon. Right now you can see how overexposed the scene is. This is the Pocket 3 in manual with 4K 24 frames a second. My shutter speed is 1/50th of a second and ISO 50. I'm gonna put on ND8. Let's check out the results. And as you can see here, I am able to gain back some detail, but it's still very, very blown out. So now let's replace the ND8 with the ND32. Now we are gaining back more details in the sky and as well as in the landscape overall. The clouds are starting to look much better. I am shooting in D-Log right now. So now let's try the ND128. Now you can see the results look much better than the ND8 and ND32. It's currently right after 12 p.m. So the sun is up high, and this would probably be the ND filter I'd be using if shooting for landscape. So it's a really nice difference. I have beautiful sky contrast. The highlights are well controlled, details in the picture overall. Alright, now let's put the lens kit to the test in a real cinematic scenario. Here's the setup. We have the Pocket 3, the K&F Anamorphic Lens, an ND filter to make sure that I get nice soft motion blur. Now the setting is I have it at 100 frames a second for slow-mo, 1/200th of a shutter speed. What I did is I looked for dynamic light, like flares, reflections, shadows, to maximize the anamorphic effect. You'll notice that horizontal lens flare kicking in beautifully without overwhelming the shot. Then for detail shots, I switched to the macro lens. Now you have to get really close, like an inch away, but the results are stunning. And for those wide establishing shots, well, I popped on the wide angle filter and framed up the model just the way I wanted her and let the ND filter make sure that I maintain proper exposure. So, is it worth it? If you want a flexible, travel-friendly kit that adds real creative options to the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, the K&F Concept Effect Lens and ND kit is 100% worth checking out. Now, let me share a couple of advantages of this kit. It's compact, it's versatile, and it's an easy way for you to produce cinematic effects. Now, let's talk about the drawbacks. The macro filter has a very shallow focusing distance, and there are no protective lens caps that come included in this kit. Now, of course, I'm going to leave a link down below for you to check out this product for yourself. If you enjoyed this video and you would like to see more, don't forget to press that like, that share, to subscribe, and yes, most importantly, hit the bell icon to get notifications for my upcoming content. I'm Robert Silver, and until next time, keep shooting and stay creative.